Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make stuffed bell peppers or sweet peppers. So I'm going to be using shrimp to make this dish. So all my ingredients is over here that I'm going to be working with today. So first thing, guys, I am going to chopped up the shrimp a little bit. Normally, you know, you can use ground meat also to make this dish. So since I'm not using any ground meat, I'm using my shrimp. So I am going to just chop them a little. Alright, so let me just have a chop the shrimp then. Okay guys, so this is the shrimp. I chop it up. So now I'm going to turn my fire on. Okay, fire on. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of olive oil in the pot. Alright. Make the oil heat up a little bit. Oh guys, and I forgot to tell you I have some rice here, some cooked rice that I'm going to use also. Okay. My oil is hot, so I'm going to go in now with the shrimp. Okay. So I'm going to season the shrimp in the pot. And this is some green seasoning. Okay, so I'm going to leave that for about 5 minutes. So let's move over here to the peppers. These are the peppers. I already washed my peppers. So now I'm going to cut off the top. So we're cutting off the top of the pepper. Okay? And you take out the seed. The seeds. Okay? You guys see, nice and clean. Alright? Get rid of these. Okay. So I'm gonna grease the pan to put the peppers in. Okay? gonna use a little oil to do this. You can use butter if you want, or whatever you have to grease your pan, use it. Alright. So now I'm gonna coat the peppers with some olive oil. Okay. I'm gonna coat them with some olive oil. The outside, like this. Okay. There's that one right there. It's always better to get the peppers nice and firm, so when you put them down they stand up like how that green boy standing up. I don't know what happened to that yellow one here. She and the red one are act up, but anyway, we are going to use them same way. Alright? So let's go back over to the stove. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn this off. Now, I'm going to taste it to see where the flavor acts before I turn it off. Alright? No one, nothing more. Alright. So guys, I am going to turn it off now. And I did not add any water in this pot. This is the water that springs from the shrimp. Alright? So, I am going to go in now with my sweet peas. And I'm using sweet peas. So this is the filling for the peppers that I'm making here. Okay guys. Lord God. If I don't want to stand up for me at all. Alright. So this is some Prego sauce I'm using now. And you can use ragu sauce if you have that sauce. Guys, the green one is the best one. This one behaving well today. You know, the rest of them not behave at all. Lord God, guys, me need help. If I did not turn up. I am going to move them into the smaller baking pan. That seems to make a problem. So guys, I had to move these to the smaller pan. And trust me, them still not cooperate. Only the green one not cooperate. But anyway, we're still going to do this. That ain't gonna stop us now. Alright. We still are going with it. Going with it. I will sing that song there. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna cover it. Oil paper. And this will help it to cook faster. Alright. Cover it down. Alright. So now I am going to put these in the oven and bake these 350 degrees. So I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, guys. Okay, guys. So it's been 30 minutes now since the stuffed peppers are in the oven. So I'm going to take them out now and test them to see if it is finished. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to use a fork to see. So it's finished. So now I am going to put it on a plate and come back and show it to you guys, okay? Okay guys, look what I have here. So this is the finished look of my stuffed peppers. Look how beautiful they're looking, guys. And it smells so yummy. So now, I go test one of them and tell you how it tastes. Which one I should take? Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna dig into it now and tell you what I go on. Yeah. Guys, it is so flavorful, full of flavor. It tastes so good. One more bite. Hawk. Guys, try it. Wait. Okay. Guys, let me finish this. I don't want to choke. Tastes good, man. Stuffed pepper, go on. So guys, for the ingredients for this lovely stuffed peppers, the link is gonna be in the description down below. And remember, check out my Facebook page, Carly's Kitchen. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And big thank you to all my supporters. Thank you guys so much for supporting me from way back till now. I appreciate it so much. Anyways, guys, remember, whenever time you're doing anything, always put God in it. Always pray and put him first. And treat each other the same way how you would want the next person to treat you. Okay guys, have a blessed day or a blessed night wherever you at. And see you again in my next video. Bye guys.